Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we are here to do our weekly rebate haul, and we're going to be using a bunch of different rebate apps. I do have those all linked down below in the description box if you are unfamiliar with them. But we're going to be using Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Checkout 51. We're going to be using coupons.com, the app, Brand Club. We're just going to be using all of them, I think, except Fetch. I do have a Weekend Warrior bonus, $5 for 15 offers, and so I will be completing that today because I will buy a Walmart gift card under the gift card option on the main page, and then when I do that, that will count as an offer. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use to help you plan your trip or to help you in store. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. Before we start saving in store, let's talk about saving online with Slickdeals. It's super easy with Slickdeals because of their browser extension. Just sign up for a free account on their website and then download their extension. It really only takes a few minutes to do all of that. Then you can go to whichever website that you would like to start saving money on for any extra savings. So since we're at Walmart today, I thought we would go to walmart.com and we would look to see what kind of savings they have. So once you bring up your website, there's going to be a little SD icon that pops out. So when you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear, top deals, any cashback activated that's available, and coupons. So we're going to check out the top deals. There will be this menu here that you can scroll through and look at any deals. There is a grill here that is also a smoker and a griddle. That's $200 off. There is this game here, which I have my eye on because I have a birthday party to go to. There is a lot of other things here. Here's a laptop that is half off. So let's look at the game. So we are going to select the game in the list, and it will take us over to the web page with the game, and it is showing here the price for the game. And then it's giving us some additional information. It's telling us we can save the most money here. And then you can go down and you can read the comments from other users. I personally think that's pretty handy to see actual feedback from other users with their luck on this specific deal. So I'm saving over $20 by using this browser extension, and I'm also going to get 1% cash back. I definitely think that's an amazing deal. Now we're going to go back to Slickdeals homepage, and on the homepage here, it's just going to show you a variety of deals from different retailers like Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, Target, eBay, Kohl's, places like that. So I'm just scrolling through here to show you a few of the deals. I think Peacock here for 12 months, if you're a new subscriber, is a very good deal. It's over half off for the yearly price of just $22, which I think is incredible. The one deal here that I'm focused on that is ending in a few days is $45 off of $45 Sam Club membership. So just click the deal here, and what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to a page where it shows you all the terms and conditions of the deal and more details. The offer does end July 31st. So you click See Deal, and it's going to take you over to the offer page. And over on Sam's Club website, it is still showing that the offer is valid, just like Slickdeals said, and you can sign up here. So if you're interested in using Slickdeals, there is a link down below in the description box for you so you can download that browser extension. And let's get back into the deals at Walmart this week. So we're going to start off with the Neutrogena bar here for $2.32. I have a $1 printable coupon that we're going to use on it. And then we have a $1 rebate on Ibotta here. And then it's going to just cost 32 cents. Next, we're going to do some travel size deodorants. We're going to get the Dove spray, men's and women's. So the women's and men's are both $1.97. You submit your receipt to Shopkick for 600 kicks, which is $2.40. So it's going to make these free and a 43-cent moneymaker. So we're going to get the women's, but the men's, they don't have any tops. So I shook them already, and they feel like they have some deodorant in them. It doesn't matter. It's a free and a moneymaker, so I'm going to take it either way. I don't know if I'll be able to use it or not. So we're going to get some Olay bar soap and body wash because there's a bonus, and there is Shopkicks and I bought a rebates for them. So The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to grab this bar soap right here for $9.97. It is the 12 count. I'm gonna get a little bit prettier one here. And we have 1,000 kicks on Shop.with for this, which is $5. And then there's a $4 rebate on Ibotta for this, making this 12 count just 97 cents, which is an incredible deal. So next we have the Olay body wash. It is $8.47. This one isn't marked, but anyways, it's $8.47. We have 750 kicks on Shop.with plus 15 scan kicks. That equals out to $3.06. We also have a $3 rebate on Ibotta. So that's gonna make this $2.41. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Then for getting both of them, I'm going to get back $1 bonus on Ibotta, making it just $1.41 for both of them, which is crazy because they're almost 20 bucks for both of them. Now, the funny thing is the smaller bottle, there is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, and then there is 500 kicks on Shop.with. So if you get the smaller bottle, it's the exact same price. It's $2.41. I am going to get it because I want the Ibotta rebates, but of course the bigger one is the better deal. Now, there's also another deal for the 8 count for the Agedify. It's $7.97. You're going to get back $3 on Ibotta and 750 kicks on Shop.with and 15 scan kicks back. This is going to be $1.97. So this one over here, sorry, this one is going to be $1 cheaper for 12. So I'm still going to get them because of the Ibotta rebates and the Shop.with bonuses, and I have Brand Club as well. So that's going to make for an incredible deal. So I said I had Brand Club for Olay, and I have 2 of them, and I have 2 different barcodes here. I know I made that mistake a few weeks ago. So I have a $2 and a $1.75 one on Brand Club. So it's going to make these 2 free and a $2.34 money maker. Next, next we're going to get the, oh no, this is torn open. I wonder if any are missing. No, but it's torn open. That's too bad. So anyways, we're gonna get the Skintimate razors. They're $5.97 for that one and that one. So we're gonna grab this one because it's not blown to bits. This is $5.97. We have a $3 coupon that we are going to use. And the coupon, where it's from, will be in the printable breakdown. And then we're going to pay $2.97, get back $2 on Ibotta, making it 97 cents for a razor. We're also going to grab these for $6.47, and I don't see any $5.97 ones, but these are $6.47. We have the $3 coupon again that we're going to use, and a $2 rebate on Ibotta. Here is the coupon, plus that $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.47. Not terrible. And my store has these. I'm so excited. These pet calming chews. They're $10.28. We have a $10.28 rebate on Ibotta for it. So I think that is awesome. I've been really finding these freebies lately, so it's really nice. Usually I just find maybe 1, but last week I think I found 3. So whew, I'll take it. So next we're gonna get the Persil, of course, because it's my all-time absolute favorite. The discs are my favorite, but I will suffice, or I will be okay with liquid. So we're gonna get the discs first. They're $5.44. We have a $2 coupon on the coupons.com app that we're going to use. Then we have a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. This account that I am using today only has a 50-cent rebate, but that is okay. So then we're going to submit our receipt to Shop.with. We're going to get 500 buy kicks and 20 scan kicks. That is going to equal out to, I'll put it up right here, what it's going to equal out to, because I don't remember off the top of my head. Then that's going to make these just 86 cents. So now we're going to get the liquid. The liquid is going to be the same rebate as the discs, but we have 2 different Shop.with rebates. So these are $5.44. We have a $2 printable coupon that we can use for the liquid or the discs. So then you would pay $3.44 out of pocket. You'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta, but then you'll also get back $2.28 on Shopkick, 550 buy kicks and 20 scan kicks. So that's going to make this just 66 cents, which I think is also an incredible deal. So I'm definitely happy to grab these. Just remember they're on the same rebate. So next we have the finished products. Now, there is Finish on Brand Club, but the only one that I've seen that works for Walmart is the Jet Dry Spray for $4.47. So we are going to grab that, and we're going to submit this to the coupons.com app to get $1 back. There are printables. Then we're going to get back $1.25 on Ibotta. We're also going to get back $2.25 on Brand Club, making this free and a little 3-cent moneymaker. So I'll take it from $4.47. So I think that's a really good deal. I'm also going to pick up the Finish right here for $3.34. I don't have any coupons with me for it, but I'm going to still pick it up, and you're going to get back $1.50 on Ibotta. Now, this looks like different packaging, so there may be $2 back on Brand Club for this. For me, we'll see. It's just different packaging. It's got the Powerball on there, and it's got, you know, this size. So we'll see how that works out. I know some people are saying that Finish It does not count for Walmart. It does, and I'm going to see if it works for this too, and I'll let you know. If it doesn't work, then I will have a $1.84 cost for this. If you have $1 coupon, then it'll be 84 cents for you. If Brand Club takes it, then it'll be a 16-cent moneymaker for me. So I'll definitely take it for either one. Next, we're going to get these colliders. My store has them marked down on rollback for $1.98 a piece. I'm going to grab 2 different kinds because we have rebates for each one of them. So I'm going to get this Hershey's Cookies and Cream one, and then I think I'm going to get the Rolo one as well. No, you know what? I'm going to get the Reese's instead. So for both of these, it's going to cost $3.96. We're going to get back 75 cents on each one, plus a 50-cent bonus, making it $1.96 for both of them. Not bad. So we're going to get the Snuggle here for $4.77 a piece. We're going to grab this one here. For both of them, it's going to be $9.54. We're going to use these $1.50 coupons. So we'll pay $6.54. We're going to get back $4 on swag bucks for getting these. And I'm not going to get a dented one because I don't like that. So then we're also going to get back $2.24 on checkout 51, making them, this one's dented too. Oh my gosh, making them 30 cents for both of them, or just 15 cents a piece, which I will definitely take it. These are good size jugs, guys. Definitely grab them. So I'm going to grab something that we desperately need. We are completely out of foil, and the foil for the 50 count heavy duty is $4.98. We have $1 that we can submit this on the coupons.com app, plus $1 rebate, so make it $2.98. I don't have any Brand Club surveys, unfortunately. I used to, but I don't anymore. I will still take $2 off of this any day. So this is everything we're getting today. I'm pretty happy with this, especially since when I come in, I had no I can't even talk. I had no let's try it one more time. I had no idea how many offers I was going to need. So I'm pretty happy with everything, especially this area here with the Reynolds wrap and the Olay. Muy caliente. So anyways, we're gonna go check out, see how everything went, and I will meet you out in the vehicle. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and everything went fine in store. I had no issues with any of the coupons I had. I didn't have very many, and then it didn't even signal the CSM to come over for my coupons. So that's always helpful. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and 3 things that I got were not picked up on the receipt, and I did want to show you them today. So this one right here, the Neutrogena bar, this was the second week in a row that it did this. So don't worry, just go ahead and scan it for more offers. The other one that did that was the Pet Naturals, the freebie. I was a little bit worried when I seen that, but when I scanned it, it just popped right up. And then it's in the back, but it's the Reese's Collider. So it was the Reese's Collider didn't show up, but the Hershey's one did. So I just wanted to let you guys know on those things right there. Don't ever panic when you don't see an offer. Just go back and verify the offers and you should get them no problem. So the only other thing I want to say is that with swag bucks, now I don't know if I got a bonus or what, but when you go to swag bucks and you look at the offer, it says buy one, get $2 or 200 swag bucks. Buy two, get 500 swag bucks. So I got two and it gave me 500 swag bucks, but the offer says 400. So I just counted it as $4, but it was actually $5. So I'm not going to complain about that. So anywho, those are really the only updates. So after my coupons, my total was $87.03. I got back $33.53 in regular rebates on Ibotta. I got back the $5 Weekend Warrior bonus. I got back the $1 Olay bonus and the 50-cent Collider bonus. I also got back 25 cents for purchasing that gift card, and that is so easy to use. It used to have a much lower limit, but now it's $20. And so I just pay, I usually just get like half of my total on a gift card, and then I just do Walmart Pay with the rest of it. I get a physical receipt. I'm able to sync to Brand Club no problem, and I have my physical receipt to get the other offers I have on other apps. So then I should get back $4 on the coupons.com app. The Reynolds, the aluminum foil. One for the finish and one for the Persil. I should get back $2.24 from checkout 51 for the Snuggle. I got back $5 on Swag Bucks for the Snuggle. I got back $8 on Brand Club, or I should get back $8 because of the Olay and the finish. Now, because I have two different barcodes, which I don't know why, for some reason I thought that you could get two of the same items and get two different surveys. But anyways, I should get $2 for the Olay and $1.75 for the Olay. And then on the finish, I seen some comments saying that the finish isn't included on Brand Club for Walmart. But if you go to the search bar down below, or the search little magnifying glass, search finish, and then filter it to Walmart, it'll show you all the products that qualify for Walmart. One of them is the finish Jet Dry. And then there is the Finish Power dishwashing tabs, but it's a different looking package, but it's still the Finish Power right here. So I should get back one for that as well. There's no reason why I shouldn't. Then I should get back $21.40 on Shopkick. So I got the Persil Liquid and Discs for Shopkick, the Dove Men's and Women's Dry Spray Deodorant, and then all of the Olay options that I got as well. So then that brings my total down to a cost of $6.11. But I want to just say this. You would not be able to go to Walmart as a non-couponer and pick up this here, because this is $4, and this is $3.34. If you went into Walmart as a regular everyday person that doesn't coupon, you could buy these two right here, and it would cost you $7.31 to buy both of these. But instead, we got everything for $6.11, and I think that is a really, really good deal. So I just love it. So anyways, guys, that is really it. So I want to thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to use the Google Doc down below. Thank you to Slickdeals as well. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.